everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse, and this is our living wall. At least it will be soon. This is the grid that we use for our living wall. It is 16 panels, which each hold 16 pots. So 256 of these pots fit in it. They sit in on an angle. So this system we purchased from one of our suppliers years ago, and we've been using it ever since. It's been discontinued, so it's not available, but you can find similar products online. So watch as we plant it for this year. This wall is used for customers to just come and take photos. So if you ever visit us here at Deb's Greenhouse, come to the photo wall and bring your phone and take a picture. So when we go to transplant the wall, we use this deep pot. I think it's a 4.25 round deep, and we have most of our plants already potted into shorter pots. Now we only want the soil this high, and what we do is pop it out and we put it into this pot, but we push it down. So if you're making a living wall, you want to make sure that the water has somewhere to catch. So for this system, we found this method worked best, so that when we water it, there's somewhere for the water to go. The first year we tried it, the water just spilled out the top and we had to redo it. That's our tip. So now that the team has the wall planted and installed, we are going to water it. We'll show you how we water it. We water this every single day. We have a really soft rainfall water breaker on our wand. This is called a watering wand, and it's gonna just give a nice light shower. And that's it. We'll keep you updated as it grows.